In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy questions in Google Forms efficiently and effectively. Whether you're creating a survey, a quiz, or any form of questionnaire, Google Forms is a fantastic tool, allowing customization and ease of sharing. However, sometimes you need to duplicate questions within your form. This might seem like a straightforward task, but there are nuances to ensure you do it correctly without losing any data or formatting. Let's walk through the process step by step. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You'll likely be greeted with a sign-in page. Here, enter your email address and click Next. Follow this by typing in your password and clicking Sign In again. If you're already signed in, great. You can skip these steps. Once signed in, you'll see your dashboard hosting all your current Google Forms. Navigate through these forms and select the one you wish to work with by clicking on it. This action opens the form, ready for editing. Now you're in your selected Google form. Here's where the real action begins. Scroll or navigate to the question you wish to duplicate. You might be crafting a survey where several questions require similar formats, or maybe you want to create a new question that only slightly differs from an existing one. Selecting the question will highlight it, indicating it's ready for further action. Directly beneath the highlighted question, you'll notice several icons. Look for the one that resembles two sheets of paper stacked on top of each other, often referred to as the duplicate button. Click on this icon. Immediately, a copy of the selected question will appear right below the original. This duplicated question will include all the same options, formatting and settings as the original one. At this point, you might want to customize the copied question. Feel free to edit the text, change response options, or adjust any other settings as required. Google Forms allows modifications to each question individually, ensuring that even duplicated questions can be tailored to fit your exact needs. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully duplicated a question within Google Forms. This simple yet powerful feature can save you time, especially when working with long or complex forms. Remember, you can duplicate any question type, whether it's multiple choice, short answer, or a scale. Furthermore, consider organizing your form using sections for a cleaner look, especially if you're duplicating numerous questions. By following these steps, you'll find that creating detailed, comprehensive, and tailored Google Forms becomes significantly easier. Whether you're surveying for customer feedback, creating a quiz for your class, or gathering information for an event, the ability to duplicate questions streamlines the process considerably. Thank you for watching. Dive into Google Forms, start duplicating those questions, and make your forms more efficient than ever. Keep exploring our channel for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of Google's versatile tools.